Chapter 66. A sunny day. Our character is a young girl. It is a sunny day, so she changes her clothes. She takes the cassette, skin lotion, and carpet to line on. Then she gets out of her house. She spreads the carpet. She rubs the skin lotion. She plays the cassette. She listens to music lying prone. She turns over. The sun shines brightly, so she feels very hot. She goes into the room and takes a plastic bottle, and she fills the bottle with some water under the tap. She takes it. She sprays the water on her body. Now she feels comfortable, so she smiles. Finally, she falls asleep in prone position.